While I don't recommend that you use the templates that you find on Canva for your job search, there are templates that you can purchase online that you can actually use to create your own resume. There are many on several sites. One of them is Etsy, and they have just lots of templates that you can certainly use for your job search. For today's demonstration, I am going to use this resume. You can see that it is described as ATS compatible. That's something that you certainly want to look for if you are downloading a template online. As you can see, this resume is a Word document. As I scroll through it, I can see that there are no text boxes. Everything is just written in Word, so it would be easy to customize, and it appears to be completely ATS compatible. So this is something that you can go in and customize to suit your purposes, and then you can save it as a Word document. You could also save it as a PDF file so that you can submit whichever your target employer is requesting. I do want to mention that while scrolling Etsy looking at various templates, I did find this, and there are many others like it, that appears to be very similar to the type of resume templates that you find on Canva. It has the photo. You can see it just appears to be similar to a Canva style resume. And you can see when you're looking at the description, it is not identified as ATS compatible or ATS friendly. So you just want to be mindful if you are purchasing a template online to make sure that you are looking for that description. There are many inexpensive ATS compatible templates that you can purchase to create your own resume. You just have to make sure to put in the time to create those achievement statements and provide the results that recruiters and hiring managers are looking for.